Here are 3 ways to get your hunger cues back if you feel like you're overeating or you don't know when you're hungry. Number 1, the moment you wake up, start to eat. Whatever happened last night, how much you ate last night, whether you had a binge eating episode, still eat in the morning so you can train your body to get used to these hunger cues. Number 2, eat regular, consistent meals every 3 to 4 hours. So that would be looking like your breakfast, mid-morning snack, lunch, mid-afternoon snack, dinner. It might seem like a lot, but you're retraining your body to get back in touch with, okay, this is the time to eat. And if you do that consistently, then you'll restore your hunger cues. And number 3 is to avoid dieting. Avoid any external cues, ignoring your internal hunger cues. Try to be very strict with eating regular meals until you start to feel that your hunger cues come back once again. So how do you know that your hunger cues are back once again? Well, that's easy. If you find out you're not constantly thinking about food 24/7, and once you feel like, okay, you're comfortably full consistently throughout the day, you're not having any intense urges to binge eat. Follow for more binge eating recovery tips.